Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to view chat settings on the Messenger app for PC. Understanding your chat settings can enhance your messaging experience, allowing you to customize notifications, manage your privacy, and more. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your list of conversations on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the chat for which you want to view the settings. This could be a conversation with a friend, a family member, or even a group chat. Scroll through your chat list until you find the one you want to customize and click on it to open the chat. Now that you have the chat open, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the chat window. Clicking on these three dots will bring up a menu with several options related to the chat settings. In this menu, you'll find options like mute, archive, or delete. But what we're interested in is accessing the chat settings specifically. Here, you can manage notifications, adjust chat colors, and even view chat details. Each of these settings can help you tailor your messaging experience to better suit your needs. For example, if you want to mute notifications for a specific chat, simply select the mute option. This can be helpful if you're in a group chat that's particularly active and you need some peace. You can also change the chat color or customize other features to make your chats more visually appealing. To recap the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. Next, find the chat you want to customize. Then, open the chat and click on the three dots at the top right corner to access the settings menu. And that's it. Viewing and managing chat settings on Messenger is a straightforward way to enhance your messaging experience. Taking a moment to customize your chats can make a big difference in how you interact with others. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using your favorite apps. See you in the next video.